Hey guys, today I want to share a recipe for a Finnish style fish tart. It is a little bit like quiche, but with a much simpler dough. Let's get started. You want to start with creaming the soft butter until it's white and pale. Then add the egg and continue mixing. Don't worry if it looks a little bit like it's curdled, that's fine. Then you want to start adding the dry ingredients. Just add in the flour, the oats, and the baking powder. Now you want to continue mixing on a low setting just until the dough forms. Then butter your pie dish. You want to butter it well and the sides as well. And transfer the dough into the dish. Because the dough is really soft, you just want to spread it like I'm doing here in the video with a spatula or with a spoon. Don't worry if it looks really thin, no problem at all. It will still be a nice dough for the pie or for the tart. Now you want to make the filling, so mix the eggs with the sour cream and a little bit of pepper. I'm not adding any salt because I'm adding a really salty fish and feta cheese, which will make the pie salty enough. Then you want to add the rest of the ingredients of the filling and mix everything well. With the feta, just add half of the feta and then we will add the rest of it on top. Now you want to pour the filling over the base and smoothen it out a little bit. The baking instructions for this pie can be found in the description box. Once you have baked the pie, allow it to cool completely. I'm cutting it after it's cooled, but it wasn't completely cooled, so that's why the base is sticking a little bit, but you want to cool it completely. You can even refrigerate it and then cut the pieces and warm them a little bit in a microwave before serving. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.